announcing certain changes.
Lesimemezelo asimangazi kwabaningi. Izwe selinongqongqoshe wezempilo omusha ngemva kokwesula kuDokotela uZweli Mkhize. Bekuneziphakamiso zokuthi uRamaphosa axoshe ongqongqoshe abathile ngenxa yezinsolo zenkohlakalo ezithinta inkontileka ye-digital vibes kanye nokwehluleka kwezokuphepha kuleli ukubhekana nezibhelu ezaqubuka ngenyanga edlule.
I'm therefore making changes to the National Executive to improve the capacity of government so that it is able to effectively undertake these tasks. At the same time, there are a number of vacancies that need to be filled. These vacancies created by the tragic passing of Minister Jackson Mthembu and Deputy Minister Zweli Mkhize, and the appointment of former Minister Pax Tau as MEC in Gauteng. A further vacancy has arisen following the request I have received from Minister Zweli Mkhize to allow him to step down as the Minister of Health.
Umnyango wezemali usuholwa uEnoch Godongwana nowesula njengephini likaNgqongqoshe wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho ngo-2012 ngenxa yezinsolo zenkohlakalo. Ungene esikhundleni sikaTito Mboweni nosekudala ayicelela ukuba ashenxile kulesikhundla umengameli ugcine evumile.
I have also accepted a long-standing request by Minister Tito Mboweni to be excused from his position as Minister of Finance. Minister Mboweni took up this position following the sudden departure of former Minister Nene in October 2018. Since then, he has effectively and ably steered National Treasury through extremely difficult economic times, providing leadership and instilling confidence. I'm grateful to Minister Mboweni for responding to the call I made to him to serve our nation at its time of great need. I had prevailed on him to stay on, even as he wanted to leave earlier. And today, I've acceded to his request.
Umnyango wezokuphepha kombuso wona usuzoba ngaphansi kwehhovisi likaMengameli kanti uSydney Mufamadi uqokwe njengomeluleki wezokuphepha.
The second change we are making is to do away with the Ministry of State Security and place political responsibility for the state security agency in the presidency.
Umnyango wezamanzi nenhlanzeko ususiwe kwezokuhlaliswa kwabantu leminyango emibili izoba nongqongqoshe bayo. UNgqongqoshe wezokuvikela uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula uxoshiwe kulesikhundla kanti usihlalo womkhandlu obhekele izifundazwe uThandi Modise uyena osezothatha izintambo kulomnyango. Obebambe njengongqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbudzo Nchabeni usezoba ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nezobuchwepheshe. uStella Ndabeni Abrahams yena usezohola umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwamabhizinisi amancane. Wayanda Dlodlo yena uqokwe njengongqongqoshe wezezisebenzi zikahulumeni nokuphathwa kwazo ngemva kokususwa kwesokuba wezokuphepha kombuso kanti umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu wona uzoholwa uMamuluku Khubayi. Usenzo Mchunu yena usezophatha umnyango wezamanzi nenhlanzeko kuthi uLindiwe Sisulu yena ahole owezokuvakasha.
I am making the following new appointments. In the presidency, we'll be appointing Mr. UMondli Gungubele, Communications and Digital Technologies, Ms. Khumbudzo Nchabeni, Defense and Military Veterans, Ms. Thandi Modise, Finance, Mr. Enoch Godongwana, Health, Mr. Joe Phaahla, Human Settlements, Ms. Mamuluku Khubayi.
Kusenjalo umengameli umemezele ukuthi useqoke ithimba longoti elizohlaziya ukusebenza kwezokuphepha kuleli ngaphambi kokwenza izincomo ngeindlela zokuqinisa lokhu.